We created this video to help you get the hang of achieving precise gesture control using state-of-the-art sensing technology. There are gesture control icons printed on the surface of both earphones. The sensor is positioned around the icons. The optimal sensing area for gestures control use gesture icons as the center point and extend to the peripheral vision of left or right side at about shoulder width within a cone-shaped range with a 60-degree angle. The optimal sensing area is divided into near and far use. Earphone gesture icon acts as the reference point. Extend outward 3 to 6 centimeters is defined as near and 6 to 15 centimeters is defined as far. Whether you are left-handed or right-handed, as long as making the correct gesture within the optimal sensing area, you can enjoy the convenience brought by gesture control. According to our test results, optimal sensing area is located in the area from the peripheral vision of the left or right eyes to the front of the left or right shoulders. For the first-time user, after putting on the earphone, raise your hand from the front and touch them to get a sense of their position to help understand the 15-centimeter outward range. Once you're familiar with the optimal sensing area, you can skip the step of touching the earphones. When you perform gesture control outside the optimal sensing area, the accuracy of gesture recognition will be greatly reduced or may not respond at all. If gesture control is unresponsive, please check if your hand is within the optimal sensing area. After wearing the earphones, raise your hand from the front, then touch the earphones to confirm their position. Move your hand slightly outward to the 6-centimeter mark and begin performing gestures from this position. Raise your right hand from the right side or left hand from the left side to enter the optimal sensing area will potentially lead to incorrect recognition. Raise your index finger pulp from the front to the optimal sensing area. Pause for approximately 0.5 seconds. Quickly tap the finger once in the air towards the earphone and return to the original position. Use knuckle or wrist joint to swing approximately 5 to 8 centimeters in the air towards the direction of earphones. Then return to the original position to form a correct in-out gesture. It is an easy and natural small movement, and the angle range of the swing is between 90 to 60 degrees. When performing in-out gestures twice, there is a 0.5-second interval between each gesture, similar to the rhythm of double-clicking a mouse. When performing in-out gestures 3 times, there is a 0.5-second interval between each gesture, similar to the rhythm of clicking a mouse 3 times. When performing in-out gestures, excessive range of motion that go beyond the optimal sensing area or being too stiff or involving the elbow joint may cause recognition errors. When performing 2 consecutive in-out gestures, due to a long interval between the 2 gestures, the sensor may interpret them as 2 separate in-out gestures. When performing 3 consecutive in-out gestures due to different intervals between each gesture, the sensor may interpret them as multiple separate in-out gestures. Raise your index finger pulp from the front to the optimal sensing area. Pause for approximately 0.5 seconds. Quickly swing your wrist forward twice and return to the original position each time. Raise the fingertip of your index finger facing the earphones. Make slight forward then backward swing with your wrist twice to constitutes a complete front-back *2 gestures. It is an easy and natural small movement. The angle range of the swing is between 90 to 60 degrees. If the range of wrist swing is too large or swing towards the right or left or involving the elbow joint that produce larger movements may cause recognition errors. Swing backward then forward is incorrect and may cause recognition errors. Raise your hand from the front to the optimal sensing area. Pause for approximately 0.5 seconds. With palm facing inward, then rub your thumb back and forth twice within 1 second on the surface of your middle finger and index finger as a complete gesture. Put the index finger and middle finger together. Use your thumb to rub the middle, then the index finger back and forth twice within 1 second to form a complete rub gesture. Near rub is to perform the rub gestures within 3 to 6 centimeters next to the earphones. Far rub is to perform rub gestures within 6 to 15 centimeters next to the earphones. Whether it is a near rub or a far rub, a 0.5 to 1 second pause is needed between consecutive rub gestures until you lower your hand. Perform the rub gesture at a fixed point. If performing the rub gesture while simultaneously approaching or distancing from the earphones will lead to incorrect recognition. Other incorrect rub gestures including palms facing backwards or index and middle fingers not together.